Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, it is being widely propagated that agricultural production has progressed a lot after the imposition of the internal emergency in India. Our minister has said that it has reached up to 116 million tons. But I cannot agree with that statement because we, the people of Kerala, are getting 4 ounces of ration of rice. If it has improved much, I would like to ask the minister as to why did he give up the allotted quota. I admit that there is a little improvement in agricultural production, but it is not because the policy or planned policy of the government, but it is because of the good monsoon and the hard work of our peasants. We know that even after 20 years of Congress rule, we have not yet reached self sufficiency, whereas our neighboring countries like China and our other socialist countries, which were more backward than us in the early years, have reached self sufficiency. What is our condition? We have been searching for food. We have been depending on the foreign imperialist countries for the import of food. Sir, I would like to know about the progress in implementing land reforms. Can the minister say that the land reforms and the sealing laws have been implemented in India? He cannot say so because the statistics are here. He has replied to a question in this house that only 9 lakh acres of land have been declared surplus and 2 lakh acres of land have been distributed. I think that at least 250 years will be necessary to implement these land reforms. It proves that you are not ready to implement these land reforms. You stand for the well being of the landlords and not for the poor peasants. It is an admitted fact that many of the congressmen elected to the state assemblies and parliament are from the landless family of rural areas. That is why you are not ready to implement these land reforms in India. Moreover, it is interesting to note that out of 1 lakh acres of land that has been distributed, nearly 42,000 acres of land were distributed by the Janata Front Ministry. Many of the landlords, with the help of this government, have transferred their lands as Benami lands. Moreover, some landlords transferred their lands in the name of their house dogs and animals to overcome the land reforms. And it is a wonderful thing that the central government is coming forward with a bill to legislate these Benami transfers. In West Bengal, during the time of the United Front Ministry, peasants were able to occupy 6 lakh acres of land. But now, with the help of the present government, the landlords are trying to reoccupy these lands. It is a pitiable thing. Another important thing I would like to point out is that the steep fall in the prices of agricultural products, especially the commercial crops like coffee, etc. Stop.